Did you know that Portugal is home to the oldest bookstore in the world? That's right, the Livraria Bertrand in Lisbon has been selling books since 1732. Quite a captivating start, isn't it? Well, buckle up for a journey through time as we explore the fascinating history and culture of Portugal. In the beginning, there was Lusitania, inhabited by Celtic people, which became a province of the Roman Empire in the 2nd century BC. The Romans left their mark with roads, bridges, and cities like Coimbra, which still stand as a testament to their architectural prowess. As the Roman Empire fell, the Visigoths, a Germanic tribe, took over. They ruled for a few centuries, but their reign came to an end in the 8th century when the Moors from North Africa invaded, bringing with them Islamic culture and architecture. The Reconquista, a period of Christian resurgence, began in the 11th century and culminated in the formation of the Kingdom of Portugal in 1143. This was a significant turning point, marking the birth of a nation that would soon make its mark on the world stage. The 15th and 16th centuries, known as the Age of Discovery, were a golden age for Portugal. Explorers like Vasco da Gama and Ferdinand Magellan set sail from its shores, discovering new lands and trade routes. Portugal established colonies around the world, amassing wealth and influence. In the 20th century, Portugal experienced a tumultuous period of dictatorship under António de Oliveira Salazar, which ended in the Carnation Revolution of 1974. This peaceful uprising led to the establishment of a democratic government, and Portugal has remained a stable democracy ever since. Portugal is also renowned for its distinct culture. Fado, a genre of music characterized by mournful tunes and lyrics, is a beautiful expression of the Portuguese soul. The country's cuisine is another highlight, with dishes like bacalhau, pastéis de nata, and vinho verde delighting the palates of locals and visitors alike. To summarize, Portugal is a country rich in history, from Roman rule and Moorish invasion to the Age of Discovery and the establishment of a democratic government. Its cultural heritage, embodied in music, cuisine, and architecture, sets it apart on the global stage. From the oldest bookstore in the world to the explorers who charted unknown territories, from haunting Fado melodies to a revolution that bloomed like a carnation, Portugal's story is as diverse as it is fascinating. So, the next time you find yourself in Lisbon, remember, you're not just in a city, but in a place where every stone tells a story.